Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. Today we want to take a look at one of the most popular cryptocurrencies here on this channel, which is the Litecoin chart. And Litecoin is currently in a correction, so we will take a look at whether there's a chance potentially for an upside reversal in one of our trading areas. Let's take a look at it. Let's go. Okay, so we are on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register for free. And if you want to stay up to date with all of these updates, then make sure you register. You can do it for free. Link is in the description. I mean, what we can do in these videos is really always only provide a snapshot of what's actually happening, right? So if you only watch the videos, it can be difficult to stay on top of all the updates. And sometimes then people say, oh, but you said in the last video this or that. Yeah, but you need to take the written updates into account as well, because here the updates are more frequent. So you might lose track of what's actually happening if you're not registering. And you can access all of these updates in our member area. As I said, it's for free. Just follow the link in the description. Today we want to take a look at the Litecoin chart. And I'll show you the context first. I always think the understanding of the context is very important. Very important to understand the key levels. First, on the weekly time frame, we have the $22 level, $22.15 down there, marked by the red line. We're still holding above that. That would be really an important invalidation point. I mean, if it goes below that, then the structure it has built since, you could say, 2020, 2019 will be invalidated. At the moment, the idea is that we had a 1-2 setup here and the wave 2 bottomed sort of in the area around June, July 2022. But there is just no impulsive price action to the upside yet, not clearly. On the weekly chart, this all looks like noise, so we have to take a look at the smaller time frame, of course, for a little bit more detail. We will do that, but you see that locally here, a downtrend locally is unfolding, right? Rather, you see it as a range from a weekly time frame point of view. Important really is that we're holding above that $22 level. Now, any rally above recent highs, but we'll take a look at the relevant levels on the 4-hour chart in a minute, that could indicate that we're on our way to the next key level on the weekly chart. So that's $296 and $414. These are relevant levels. I mean, I guess most people would be happy if we just get to 296. Unfortunately, we're not there yet. But long term, there is a mathematical projection that allows for the price to get to around about $823 plus. We're far away from that at the moment, and I think we should take it level by level. Rather always focus on the next levels to see, okay, what's the next target? Okay, from there, what is the next support level? Do we hold it? Okay, if not, we have to readjust, which is normal. Prices develop, nothing is set in stone. And if support levels hold, okay, what is the next projection, right? And then we can sort of go from level to level. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame for Litecoin then. And we see that the move to the upside from the August low last year is seen as a 5-wave move, potential wave 1, and this here would be a WXY structure to the downside, or rather even a WXY-XZ pattern, so a very complex corrective pattern. And this could still be a wave 2, but really only as long as we're holding above that $50.22 level. Any break below it would invalidate the local 1-2 setup and shift the focus back to the $22.15 level on the weekly time frame. But on the shorter time frame, $50.22 is the key level. Above that, $81.09, we recently broke below this critical support. You see how important these levels are, because once they break, sometimes it can really just look like it falls from a cliff. So local trend still down. This can still be called a WXY-XZ pattern, but that's obviously a very complex correction, so it's kind of low confidence. We recently had a trading area here where this area is now grayed out. That was a good entry for those who did it. Nice swing trade. Price rallied from this area from around about $80 all the way up to $140, nearly $150, but couldn't hold it. Okay, so now we're just waiting for the next local setup, I would say, that would indicate to us that the price is turning around to the upside. Maybe, the first 1-2 setup in wave 3, because also this magenta wave 3 should be a 5-wave move. So we're waiting for that 1-2 setup in wave 3. That's the update about Litecoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, if you want to stay up to date, make sure that you register on our website. It's completely for free. Link in the description. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.